For -3 equals 1, and then, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Finally, 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym, PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. Then we perform the remaining operation. This same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With that explained, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. For -3, multiplied by 2 minus 1. In this expression, there are 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, in this expression, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6, and the expression becomes, for -6 minus 1. Now, in this expression, there are 2 subtractions, and because subtractions have equal priority, we move from left to right and perform the subtractions in order. For -6 equals -2, and finally, -2 minus 1 equals -3. Therefore, the correct answer to this expression is -3. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.